Introducing Family Reunion Planners. Are you ready to create unforgettable memories with your loved ones? Planning a family reunion can seem like a big task, but with a clear roadmap, it becomes an exciting journey. This guide will walk you through every step to ensure your 3-day family reunion is a resounding success. Let's kick things off by building a strong foundation. The first step is to assemble a small, dedicated planning committee. This group will share the responsibilities and bring diverse ideas to the table. Next, decide on your reunion's core details, like the date, duration, and a preliminary budget. For a 3-day event, consider a long weekend to maximize attendance. A clear budget helps manage expectations and resources from the start. Begin compiling a comprehensive guest list, gathering contact information for everyone. This early outreach helps gauge interest and ensures no one is left out. You might also consider a fun theme to add an extra layer of excitement and cohesion to your event. Now it's time to find the perfect home for your reunion. Research and select a venue that can comfortably accommodate your family, offering suitable lodging and activity options. Think about accessibility and amenities that cater to all age groups. Once your venue is secured, send out those save the date notices. This gives everyone ample time to make travel arrangements and clear their schedules. Include key details like the dates and general location. Start brainstorming and outlining activities for each of your 3 days. Consider a mix of structured events and free time for spontaneous connection. Don't forget to delegate specific tasks to your committee members to keep things moving smoothly. With the big picture in place, let's dive into the specifics. Finalize your detailed itinerary, ensuring a good flow between activities and plenty of downtime. Share this with your committee for feedback and adjustments. Plan all your meals and catering arrangements. Decide whether you'll cook, potluck, or hire a caterer, keeping dietary restrictions in mind. Confirm all bookings and arrangements with vendors. If needed, arrange any group transportation for specific activities or airport pickups. Prepare welcome packets for each family, including the itinerary, local maps, and emergency contacts. Establish a clear communication plan for updates and questions. The excitement is building! This is the time to confirm every last detail. Double-check all venue bookings, catering orders, and activity reservations. Send out final reminders to all attendees with the detailed itinerary and any last-minute instructions. Purchase all necessary supplies, decorations, and any materials for planned games or crafts. Prepare name tags to help everyone connect, especially for larger families. Consider some fun icebreakers to get conversations flowing. Assign specific roles for arrival and registration to ensure a smooth welcome for everyone. This helps manage check-ins and distribute welcome packets efficiently. A little organization now saves a lot of stress later. The big weekend is here. Set up a welcoming registration area for arrivals. Greet everyone with warmth and enthusiasm, making them feel right at home. Encourage mingling and connection from the very start. Now it's time to enjoy all your hard work. Participate in the planned activities, but also embrace flexibility. Sometimes the best memories are made in spontaneous moments. Capture plenty of photos and videos to cherish these special times. Remember, the goal is connection and joy. Don't stress over minor hiccups. Simply adapt and keep the positive energy flowing. Your family will appreciate your efforts and the opportunity to be together. Even after the farewells, your planning isn't quite over. Send out heartfelt thank you notes to your committee members and anyone who helped make the reunion special. Express your gratitude for their contributions. Share all those wonderful photos and videos with the entire family. Create a shared album or a dedicated social media group to keep the memories alive. This helps everyone relive the fun and stay connected. Finally, gather feedback from attendees. What did they love? What could be improved? This valuable input will be incredibly helpful for planning your next fantastic family reunion. You have done an amazing job. If you are ready for more ideas, explore the full playlists for family reunion themes, games, music, and everything else you need to plan with confidence. Planning a reunion takes time and clear steps. If you need help getting organized, comment below and I will guide you. And if you want ongoing support, I offer family reunion coaching. The first 15 minutes are free so you can see if it is right for you. And that's a wrap, Family Reunion Tribe. Help us continue creating valuable content by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.